Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, our Shastra says, Hridaya Madhyam Sulabham Sudurlabham. Our human life is most precious one. In this precious human life, we are all searching for happiness. Happiness is the craving of mankind. Everyone is seeking after happiness directly or indirectly, knowingly or unknowingly. What kind of happiness we want? We want absolute happiness. We want everlasting happiness. We want pure happiness. We want unalloyed happiness. But in our life, we are all getting temporary happiness, which is not permanent. We are getting impure happiness, which is a mixture of pain and pleasure. Now the question is, in spite of our continuous search, in spite of our full effort, why we are not able to get that absolute happiness? Why we are not able to overcome our miseries? What is the root cause for our miseries? The answer is, our great Upanishad says, lack of true knowledge, that is ignorance, is the root cause for all our miseries in our life. Either it may be worldly ignorance or it may be spiritual ignorance. Both bring unhappiness in our life. Shastra says, worldly ignorance brings unhappiness. For example, one student who doesn't know anything about maths, on maths exam day, he feels unhappy. One person who doesn't believe in God, who doesn't know anything about his true nature, who doesn't know anything about his self, while leaving his body, he feels unhappy. Death will be more painful to that person. So we can say that both worldly ignorance as well as spiritual ignorance brings unhappiness in our life. At the same time, knowledge brings happiness. Worldly knowledge brings temporary, impure happiness, whereas spiritual knowledge, especially self-knowledge, which is the supreme knowledge, brings absolute happiness. So, we are all searching for happiness in our life. For that, we have to gain knowledge in our life. Now the question is, who gives this knowledge? Shastra says, Guru gives this knowledge. Guru means one who removes the darkness of ignorance and gives knowledge is Guru. That is why Shastra says, Guru is not a person. Guru means knowledge. Guru means Tattvam. If there is no Guru, then there is no knowledge. There is no happiness. That is why our Sanatana Hindu Dharma has given highest position to our Guru. Our great Guru Parampara has left most precious and abundant knowledge for the welfare and well-being of this mankind. So, it is our primary duty to show our gratitude by remembering them every year. That is why every year on Guru Purnima day we do Guru Puja. Similarly, in our Dharma Peetham, for the past 1000 of years, we do Guru Puja on every Guru Purnima day. On that day, we do special puja for our great Guru Parampara. We seek blessings of all Devatas, entire Guru Parampara, for the welfare and well-being of this world and devotees. At this auspicious Manvantara year, Guru Purnima day, we pray Mother Sharada Parameshwari, Lord Lakshmi Narasimha Swami, and entire Guru Parampara for bestowing all welfare, well-being and prosperity to all of you in all your endeavors. Once again, especially we pray our great Guru Parampara to all of you for bestowing supreme knowledge, thereby absolute happiness in this birth itself. Narayana, Narayana, Narayana.